Up first, a story not to be missed.
Have you suffered workplace discrimination, harassment, retaliation, or wrongful termination? Hiring an employment attorney is an important step if you are facing these issues related to your job. The process can feel intimidating and overwhelming. Meet the experts from GTG Law, who have some tips on how to help make the law work for you.
Someone would need to hire an employment attorney for two main reasons. One, they're not getting paid properly, or number two, you're suffering some form of harassment, discrimination, or wrongful termination in the workplace. Here at GTG Law, we have a motto. It's called aggressive protection of your rights. What that means is that we aggressively litigate your claims. We truly care about the situation that you're encountering with your employer. We want to make sure that you understand the process and that you feel comfortable. Most people, when hiring an employment attorney or any attorney, think we're mean individuals or expensive individuals and that they can't afford to hire an attorney. The good thing about employment claims is that these claims are taken on a contingency basis, meaning you don't pay anything until we get a result.
It's important for you to understand that the law is on your side. In California, you are protected by a strong network of federal and California employment law statutes, rules, and regulations.
One aspect of employee rights in California is umbrellaed under what we call wage and hour laws. Wage and hour laws include overtime pay, meal break, rest break pay, and even if you're not receiving your actual hourly or salary pay. That's something that we here at GTG Law help employees with. In California, not all law firms practice employment law. Employment law claims include wage and hour claims and wrongful termination claims. What they do not include typically are workers' compensation claims. The main factors that you should look into when hiring an employment law attorney are how many years have they practiced specifically employment law? Do they have a team that is attentive, that answers your phone calls? What is their track record? Have they taken cases to trial and received jury verdicts? You want to make sure that they are licensed to practice in the state of California, that they've passed the California bar, attended law school at least 3 years, so they can help you with your employment claims. The benefit of hiring an employment attorney on a contingency basis is that the employee or the client doesn't need to pay the attorney a retainer or money every month to pursue these claims. Instead, the attorney gets paid on a contingency basis, meaning when there's a settlement or judgment in the client's favor, that's when the attorney gets paid for their work.
Gavril and his team offer knowledge and experience in all areas of employment law.
The first step in pursuing your employment law claim is to contact an employment law attorney. The best way to contact GTG Law is to go to our website and fill out a consultation form. Once you fill out the consultation form, an attorney or paralegal will contact you to discuss the next steps and see whether or not there are employment claims to pursue that the firm can help you with. The ultimate goal in pursuing your employment claims is to receive compensation. There are two ways you can receive compensation when pursuing your employment claims. One route is receiving an out-of-court settlement. The other route is taking your case to jury and the jury reaching a verdict to award you compensation for violation of your employment rights. In order to pursue an employment claim for discrimination, retaliation, harassment, or even wrongful termination, you need to fall under a protected class. What are typical examples of protected classes? Your gender, race, whether you have a disability, even your religion. What you can expect from us is that we will communicate with you, we will be attentive to your concerns, we will answer your questions. So although you may not speak to an attorney every day, you will speak with someone that's part of the GTG Law family. One of the most common misconceptions that we get here at GTG Law is that we handle workers' compensation claims. Another common misconception when pursuing employment law claims is that these claims resolve within a month or a day or a week. It'll take at least 2 or 3 years before you receive some sort of compensation.
Whether your matter is ultimately resolved in or out of court, the ultimate goal is to make sure that your rights and interests are protected every step of the way.
We focus on employment law claims, but we also can assist in your wrongful death claims or car accident claims. GTG Law is the perfect employment law firm because the most important result is our client's happiness.
To learn more about GTG Law, visit the website at gtglaw.org or see the segment again on thebalancingAct.com.